Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're having a great time. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a mini landscape painting which I will be doing in this Menorah sketchbook, and I am really having a great time in this sketchbook. You must give it a try. The pages are of 180 GSM and it's very good for acrylic or watercolor painting. This sketchbook also helps me to escape from art block situation. Whenever I feel not to paint something on a large scale, I just keep doing these mini landscapes so that it helps me to refresh my mind and I stay connected with art. So I'm planning to finish each and every page of this sketchbook, and as soon as I do that, I'll make a sketchbook tour of this book, which probably gonna be of only landscape painting. So without wasting any time, let's get started with today's painting. So as you can see, today I will be doing a snowy landscape, and for this I will be using acrylic colors from Kahlo. These colors are really pigmented and it gives an effect of oil painting, and I really like to use them. And the colors I will be using are Prussian blue, white, ultramarine blue and little bit amount of black. You are going to need only these 4 colors. In the beginning, I will just dab the page with a wet brush and then I'll start adding the color. The first layer would be very lighter tone, and afterwards I will add little color detailings to this layer. I tend to collect these painting references from Pinterest, and whatever I feel like I paint from there. I don't really stress out for these small paintings because these paintings are going to help me to get rid of the art block sometimes I go through, and so I really don't stress about these paintings. I do this kind of small paintings for art therapy or relaxation. So guys, you can pick any pictures from the Pinterest you like to, and you can give it a try. Pinterest is a place of million inspirations. Now you will see me painting the main tree. Here I am using a fine brush to do the detailings. I have used this particular brush to draw the trees in the distant area and as well as the shadow area because it really helps to draw out the small detailings like the leaves or the branches or the main tree trunk. So when you're done with the painting, you just take a brush or any sprinkler like a toothbrush and just sprinkle a little bit of white droplets here and there, which will give you the effect of snowdrops. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this easy snowy landscape painting video. Do let me know what you feel about this painting in the comment section below. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more painting videos from my end. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and keep creating more and more art. Bye bye.